Good morning, everybody. Hello. Welcome back. We actually just finished breakfast with this cutie pie. Here she is. Say hi. How are you? Good morning. Thank you. How are you guys doing? Make sure you comment, like, share the video. I'm just gonna be here for a few minutes. I wanted to show you this cute puppy right here. It's morning on our side, California. Say good morning. Well, Mike's busy with the other dogs, but he's here. Hi, Morgan. How's it going? Make sure you guys like this live. Thank you. Thank you for showing up, you guys. I know it's been a while. Make sure you like the live and share the live. This is little beast. This is broccoli. Oh, we have. Oh, that's Molly. About to go outside. Oh, we're not co-streaming at the moment. Maybe next time. Not right now. But I'll let him know.